edit, and delete slides. And slides are what are right here that are sliding across the page. So if we go to your website and go to Dashboard, and then we go to Slides. All right, and then we go up, here's all the 4 slides we currently got. I'm just going to go to Add New. We're just going to type in Test at the top. This is the title area of this slide, which is actually would be here. And then I'm going to go, this is where the body text would go. And down here, I explain how to format everything that you write down in here in the Pages and Post edit tutorial. So I would go there if you need help for that. But I would just type in my text, and then I just do a hard return and enter. And now I'm going to do the button, which is here, and I'm going to just type it as button text. So what you need to do is actually create a button. And so how I'm going to grab, and I have to do some coding for that. So what I'm actually going to do is flip over to HTML, and you can see it's changed, but make sure you're under HTML. And I'm going to another slide. I'm going to grab the code from it, and I'm at the services slide. I'm just going to click HTML here. Now at the bottom you can see this link. That's what text I'm going to grab. So I'm going to go to HTML, and then over here is where the code is. It starts with the arrow A class, and then it ends with the A and the arrow. But I'm going to highlight that whole thing right there, and I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to come over here, and where that button text is, I'm just going to highlight, and I'm going to paste it over the top. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to type into this where it says A class equal button. Title is not services. We're going to change that. I'm going to change that to test. And then here where it says a website, this is actually says a page of where when somebody clicks on that link they're going to go. And so the service one, it takes them to the service page. So say we want them to go to the directions page. I'm just going to click directions, and then I'm going to go up to the top, and I'm just going to copy the URL. And then here I'm just going to highlight the old URL and paste in the new one. So it's going to take them to the directions. And then here where it says info about services, I'm just going to take that out, and I'm just going to type in the wording that I want to appear in that button, which I'm just going to say for directions. Okay, so what it's going to do is the title of this is called test. It's this link. It's going to directions. In the wording on the button is for directions. Okay, and I can go back to my visual. I can see it says that, but there's really a button there. What I'm going to do is just click preview to preview the slide. So what it does is it's just showing me what it's going to look like. Obviously this slide isn't going to look like this. Then the last thing that I need to do is to put in the image. So what I'm going to scroll down here, and here it is slider image, and it's telling me what size it needs to be, and it's asking me to upload it. So what I'm going to do is just hit upload, and then it's going to give me the options of where I want to grab this image from. If I want to put one from my computer, I'm going to go to the media library and grab a slide that I've already used. I'm just going to put this one in. I just hit show, and then right here it says use this slider image. I'm just going to click that. Then it pops it down there, and now I'm done. So I just hit publish. You can see that's publishing. New screen, and it went through, so I'm just going to go to the home page and refresh it. And now it's got donate. I can click these volunteer, stories, services, and the test page. This is where the body text goes. 4 directions and the image, and I can click 4 directions, and it's going to that URL I told it. That's how you make a slider. So if I go back to slides, how you would edit them is just if I highlight over that test, I can just hit edit. And then it pulls up here, and maybe I wanted to say, please come check us out. And I wanted to just add that, and then I just hit update. Card updated. I'll reload the slide. So there it is. Please come check us out. And so how I would delete it is I would go back to slides, and then under here there's trash, and then I would delete it. Oh, here. Alright, and it had deleted it. I'll refresh just to make sure it's gone. Look through, and it is gone. So that's how you edit, add, and delete slides in WordPress.